Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Talkie app from Google Play Store error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're trying to install Talkie Creative AI community app but you are unable because of this or any other related error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. To do this, just go back to your Google Play Store, and from Google Play Store you want to make sure that you are logged in before you try to install your app. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then tap on your profile icon and go down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences option. Here, go for app download preference and choose over any network. This will ensure you can download and install this app via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK and try to install your app. But should this not work, then the problem might be with Google Play Store, and for this you need to troubleshoot your Google Play Store app. To do this, go to settings, and from settings look for apps. This will list all the apps. If you don't see, you should see manage apps option or all apps. From the list of apps here, just search for Google Play Store, and here it is. Now here you need to go to force stop and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache. OK, and once you are done, now restart your smartphone, and now if you open your Google Play Store, go to search, and once you go to search, now search for your app, and let me now run the search, and here we go. Let's try and install the app. And now look at that, I'm now able to download and install Talkie app from Google Play Store. But at this point, should you still have any other challenge, then you want to check and ensure that you have enough space on your phone. If you don't, then free up space by deleting or uninstalling apps that you no longer need or use, as well as images and videos that you no longer need. So that's how you can fix can't install Talkie app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.